Ready to unlock the full potential of the Crypto.com app and navigate the world of cryptocurrency with ease? First, let's get you set up. Download the Crypto.com app from your app store and tap sign up. Enter your email address and a strong password. You'll receive a verification email, so head over to your inbox and confirm your email address. Now for the important part, identity verification. The app will guide you through providing your personal information and uploading a photo of your ID. You'll also need to perform a quick facial scan. This is standard procedure to keep your account secure. Alright, with your account verified, let's buy some crypto. Tap the trade button and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can choose to buy instantly with a credit or debit card, or use funds you've already deposited. Want even more benefits? Explore the Crypto.com Visa card. Depending on the card tier, you can earn cash back on your spending, get access to exclusive perks, and even boost your crypto rewards. Just stake the required amount of CRO to unlock these benefits and apply. Now let's talk about earning passive income. The Crypto Earn feature lets you stake your crypto and earn interest over time. The longer you lock up your crypto, the higher the potential rewards. Check out Supercharger Events. By staking CRO, you can earn rewards in various popular cryptocurrencies. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and earn extra crypto. Ready to explore the world of NFTs? The Crypto.com NFT Platform lets you discover and trade unique digital assets, browse different collections, and support your favorite artists. And that's just the beginning. Explore the DeFi wallet for advanced DeFi features. Use the Crypto.com exchange for more sophisticated trading options. And always keep an eye on your portfolio performance to make informed decisions with these tools. You're well on your way to mastering the Crypto.com app.